Hello, my name is Teacher Sharon. What is your name? My name? Awesome job! Today, when you do a good job, you will get fruit. Fruit. Great! Are you ready? Oh, yes, I'm ready. Great job! Let's go! Let's sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Great singing! You get watermelon. Watermelon. Great. Good job. Let's review. This is their book. Which one? Wow! Yes! Whose book is this? Yes, yes, yes. This is their book. Great! This is his hat. Which one? Yes! Whose hat is this? Good! This is his hat. Awesome! This is her car. This is her car. Which one? Yes! Whose car is this? This is her car. Good! Good job! Hey! My name is Pig! Which one? What is your name? Good! My name is Pig. Pig. Great work! You are so smart! You get a fruit! Ooh! Oh, wow! Orange! Orange! Good! Great job! Let's learn. It is its. Good. It is its. It is its. It is its. Yes. It's my book. Good. Cow, whose book is this?
It's her book.
Oh, whose book is this? Yes, it's her book. Perfect. Is, not, isn't. Great. Is, not, isn't. Okay. Is, not, isn't. Is, not, isn't. Is, not, isn't. This isn't my book. Good. Whose book is this?
No. This isn't his book.
What? Whose book is this? Oh, good. This isn't his book. Awesome. Oh. Do, not, don't. Do, not, don't. Do not, don't. Do not, don't. Do not, don't. Great. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, great job. Cow,
What?
whose book is this?
I don't know.
Oh, whose book is this? Good. I don't know. I don't know. Awesome. You get a fruit. Ooh. Oh, strawberry. Strawberry. Great. Let's play. Whose book is this?
Hello.
It's her book. Great. Whose book is this?
Hello.
Yes, it's their book. Awesome. Whose book is this?
Hello.
Yes, this isn't her book. Very good. Whose book is this? I don't know. Great. I don't know. So good. My goodness, you are so smart. You get a fruit. Wow. Grapes. Grapes. Such a good job. Goodbye. Goodbye, girl. Goodbye, boy. Goodbye, hat. Goodbye, toy. Goodbye, ball. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, bud. Goodbye now. Goodbye, bud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and watch more videos with me, Teacher Sharon.